Welcome to Video-Tutorial.Net's course on mold design. In the next several lessons, we're going to be exploring tools under the mold design toolset. In this lesson, we'll be working with the Move Face tool. Let's begin by bringing up the Mold Tools tab. We'll just right-click on any of the available tabs and mouse down to Mold Tools. Now let's activate the Move Face tool. This tool is particularly useful when you're working with imported geometry. Let's start with the Offset Move method. Now we select the faces to move, activate the selection window, and make our selection in the graphic area. This face here, we have the option to select all surrounding faces, all inner and outer loops, all coplanar and connected faces, and all faces internal to the feature. Let's stick with our single selection. In the Parameters section, we can set an offset distance. We can flip it by checking here. The next move method is Translate. Let's drag the triad into the graphic area. We can set the direction reference, for example, this edge, and then specify the offset distance, let's say 10 millimeters. Tab to accept. Let's take a look at the last move method, Rotate. We can also drag the triad in the graphic area. Another way to position the face would be to specify the axis and the reference in the Parameters section. We can reposition the rotation of the origin simply by moving the triad. And when you're done, click OK. This concludes our lesson about the Move Face tool.